Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Express middleware for authentication, beginner guide step by step clearly. In this video, we will guide you through the process of activating Express middleware for authentication. First, make sure you have Node.js and Express installed on your machine. Open your terminal or command prompt. Create a new folder for your project and navigate into it. Initialize a new Node.js project using the command npm init. Next, install the Express framework by running npm install express. To manage authentication, we will also need to install a middleware like Passport by executing npm install passport. Once the installation is complete, create a new file named app.js. Open app.js in your preferred code editor. Require the Express module at the top of the file using const express equals require express. Initialize an instance of Express with the line const app equals express. Next, set up the body parser middleware so your app can handle JSON data. Add app.use express.json to enable JSON parsing. Now we will configure Passport for authentication. Require Passport by adding const passport equals require passport in your code. You will also need a session middleware, so install it by running npm install express session. Then, require it in your file with const session equals require express session. Set up session management by adding the following code: app use, session, secret, your secret key, resave, false, save uninitialized, true. Now, initialize Passport in your application by adding app.use, passport.initialize. You should also add app.use, passport.session, to handle sessions. At this point, you'll need to set up a Passport strategy for authentication. For this tutorial, we'll use a simple local strategy. Install the local strategy by running npm install passport local. Now, require it in your app.js file with const local strategy equals require passport local strategy. Define your local strategy with the following code: passport.use, new local strategy, function, username, password, done, // Here you should fetch user from your database // For demonstration, let's assume a hard-coded user const user equals id 1 username test password. If username equals user.username and in password equals user.password, return done, null, user else, return done, null, false, message, incorrect credentials. Next, serialize and deserialize user instances to support sessions. Add the following code: passport.serialize user, function, user, done, null, user.id, passport.deserialize user, function, id, done, // Here you should fetch user by id const user equals id 1. Add the following code for your login endpoint: app post /login, passport.authenticate, local, success redirect, /success, failure redirect, /login. You need to create the route that handles. Add this code for the success endpoint: app-get /success, req, res equals res.send, login successful, and add this code for the login endpoint: app-get /login, req, res equals res.send, login failed. Please try again. Finally, start your server by listening on a specified. Add the code app.listen 3000 equals console.log, server running on port 3000. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.